Magic with Tails. Alright, Tails. You wanna see a magic trick? We're gonna do a magic trick with a deck of cards, okay? Alright, so I need you to just pick any card, okay?
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
Just choose that card, okay? Take a look at it, Tails. Got it? Do you got it? I think she has it. Alright. There you go. Show it to you. Not looking at the camera. Okay? This is your card, got it? Alright, we're gonna put it back in the deck, just like this, okay? And we'll give it a few cuts, just like this, okay? And we'll even give it a shuffle, Tails. Just like that. Fair, honest shuffle, right? Alright. Now, what we're gonna do, Tails, is we're gonna shuffle the pack, okay? We're gonna do an overhand shuffle this time, okay? Are you listening? Are you listening, Tails? Alright. So, Tails, it's not the bottom card, right? I didn't force your card to the bottom, right? No? Perfect. And I didn't force your card to the top, right? Did I? No, I didn't. Alright. So, Tails, your card is lost, right? You don't know where it is? Why are you looking away from me? We don't know where it is, okay? But we're gonna take a few cards and we're just gonna randomize the deck even more, okay? We're gonna flip these cards over so that they're different from the rest of the pack, and then we're gonna take a few more, flip those over, okay? And we're just gonna keep doing this to the deck until we have a lot of cards that are face up and face down randomly in the pack, okay, Tails? Got it? Alright, now, Tails, I want to show you that there's back to face cards, right? The deck is very mixed up. And there's face to back cards like that. See? And there's also, if we can find a spot, yes, there's back to back cards. See that? It's crazy. So the deck is really mixed up, right, Tails? Hey, you looking at me? Come here. There you are. Right. Yeah. So, the deck is messed up, right? No. Tails? No. Stag? No. Alright, Tails. Back with the trick, okay? You back? You ready? Okay. So the deck was all mixed up. As you saw, you picked a card, you lost it in the deck. Watch this. Just listen out. Do you hear that? Do you feel the magic, Tails? Look. All the cards fix themselves. Look at this. Except for one. Every card is the same way. Tails, don't go to sleep on me. Come here. Tails. Okay, fine. One card is face down in the pack that fixed itself. And that card is none other than your card. Is it your card? Is it your card? I think it is. That's your card, Tails. And that is a great magic trick. Huh? You're supposed to react accordingly. Magic with Tails.